Good morning, children. Now I am going to take English for you. This is English revision. Monday there is test no. So I'll read all the mains. Listen carefully. First main, fill in the blanks. First one, kabaddi is derived from a dash and dash word meaning holding the breath. So in the dash, first dash, Hindi, H-I-N-D-I, Hindi. In the second dash, Punjabi, P-U-N-J-A-B-I, Punjabi. Children, so kabaddi is derived from a Hindi and Punjabi word meaning holding the breath. Second one, in Eastern India, the game kabaddi is known as dash. So in the dash, ha do do, H-A small dash, D-O small dash, D-O, ha do do. Third one, sunshine, water, rest, air, dash and diet are 6 doctors. So in the dash, exercise, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Fourth one, dash and running are the games to play easily. So in the dash, skipping, S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G, skipping. Fifth one, sports is fun for each and dash. So in the dash, everyone, E-V-E-R-Y-O-N-E, everyone. Sixth one, Anil began playing test matches in the year dash. So in the dash, 1990, 1990. Seventh one, Anil Kumble was born on October 17 in Bengaluru in the year 1970. So in the dash, 1970. Second main, write the meanings. First one, first class cricket. Answer is for the meaning, a match played between 2 states or 2 countries. Second one, bright, shining strongly, full of light. Third one, skip, jump over a rope holding both ends. Fourth one, volley, hit or kick the ball before it touches the ground. Fifth one, pool, a small area of still water formed naturally or artificially. So these are the meanings. Once again I will repeat. First class cricket. Answer is a match played between 2 states or 2 countries. Second one, bright, shining strongly or full of light. Third one, skip, jump over a rope holding both ends. Fourth one, volley, hit or kick the ball before it touches the ground. Fifth one, pool, a small area of still water formed naturally or artificially. Next main, unscramble the words. So the letters are unscrambled. We must write it correctly. Okay, children. First one, T-E-K-R-C-I-C. So correct word is C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Second one, G-U-O-N-Y. So answer is Y-O-U-N-G, young. Third one, R-E-E-N-I-G-E-N. So E-N-G-I-N-E-E-R, engineer. Fourth one, C-O-R-E-D-R. Answer is R-E-C-O-R-D, record. Fifth one, S-E-I-C-E-X-R-E. Answer E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. Sixth one, R-G-E-C-A-H, C-H-A-R-G-E, charge. Seventh one, C-D-O-T-R-S-O, D-O-C-T-O-R-S, doctors. Eighth one, Y-S-N-U-N, S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Next main, match the following. So in the A side they are given Anil Kumble, Vishwanath Anand, Leander Pease, Kabaddi, P.T. Usha. So in the B side they are given chess, outdoor game, cricket, running, tennis. So you must match this one. So first one, Anil Kumble. In the B side, in the third line, they are given cricket. So that is first. Vishwanath Anand. In the B side, first line chess, that is second. Third one, Leander Peace. So in the B side, fifth line tennis, so that is third. Fourth one, Kabaddi. So in the B side, it is in the second line outdoor games, that is fourth. Fifth one, PT Usha. So in the B side, fourth line it is there, RUNNING, running, so that is 5. Okay children. So next is fifth main, write the poem. Poem is sports is fun. It is there in your textbook also. Okay children. So I'll read this one. Sports is fun for each and everyone. Let's go out and play on this bright sunny day. Should we play and skip or do high jump or long jump? Let's race each other to see who runs faster. So this is the poem. Once again I'll repeat. Sports is fun for each and everyone. Let's go out and play on this bright sunny day. Should we play and skip or do high jump or long jump? Let's race each other to see who runs faster. Okay children. This poem is in your textbook also. Next main, write some action words. So action words means what you are doing, actions and all that you want to write. So the action words are eating, 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 running, 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 playing, 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 reading, READING, reading. Fifth one, crying, CRYING, crying. Sixth one, LAUGHING, laughing. Seventh one, beating, BEATING, beating. Eighth one, pulling, PULLING, pulling. Ninth one, pushing, PUSHING, pushing. Tenth one, driving, DRIVING, driving. So these are some action words. Once again I will repeat. Eating, running, playing, reading, crying, laughing, beating, pulling, pushing, driving. Next main, missing letters. KABBADI, Kabaddi. Next one, Punjab, PUNJAB, Punjab. Third one, cricket, CRICKET, cricket. Fourth one, wickets, VICKETS, wickets. Fifth one, record, RECORD, record. Sixth one, exercise, EXERCISE, exercise. Seventh one, ease, EASE, ease. Eighth one, throw ball, THROWBALL, throw ball. Ninth one, walking, WALKING, walking. Tenth one, sunshine, SUNSHINE, sunshine. Now next main, question answer. First one, which club did Anil join? So answer is Anil joined Young Cricketers Club. Next one, what has Anil Kumble studied? Answer is Anil Kumble was also a mechanical engineer. Next, what will this do to your mind? They will make less painful to our mind. For next, fourth one, are they real doctors? Yes, they are real doctors. Fifth one, what does the poet want to do? The poets want to go out and play. What games does the poet mention? So the poet mentioned throw ball, volleyball, football, basketball, hockey and cricket. For whom is sports fun? The sports is fun for each and everyone. What is a day like? The day is like bright sunny. So once again, I'll repeat question answer. Which club did Anil join? Anil joined Young Cricketers Club. What has Anil Kumble studied? Anil Kumble was also a mechanical engineer. What will this do to your mind? They will make less painful to our mind. Are they real doctors? Yes, they are real doctors. What does a poet want to do? The poet wants to go out and play. What games does the poet mention? The games the poet mentioned are throw ball, volleyball, football, basketball, hockey and cricket. For whom is sports fun? Sports is fun for each and everyone. What is the day like? The day is like bright sunny. Okay children? So these are the revisions for you. So Monday test is there. Sit and practice at home. Thank you children.